If you're wondering whether Zyro or Wix offers more template customization for e-commerce, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take a close look at how each platform stacks up in terms of template flexibility, customization options, and overall ease of use. Stick around to the end because, after trying both myself, I've got a recommendation that could change the way you approach your e-commerce website. Let's dive right in. First, when it comes to Zyro, it's clear they've built their platform with simplicity in mind. Zyro's templates are clean, modern, and relatively easy to navigate, which makes it a great choice for beginners. However, customization options are somewhat limited compared to some competitors. You can tweak text, images, and colors, but when it comes to deep customization, you're kind of stuck within the bounds of the template. It's perfect for someone who wants a quick, functional store, but if you're after something highly unique, this might be a sticking point. Next, let's look at Wix. Wix offers a much broader range of templates compared to Zyro, and the customization here is more advanced. You can modify pretty much every element of the template, giving you complete control over how your site looks. But here's the catch: while Wix's flexibility is an advantage, it can also be overwhelming. For someone who's just getting started or doesn't have much web design experience, all those options can lead to a bit of frustration. You can get lost in the details, and the learning curve can be steep if you're not familiar with web design. The third thing worth considering is how these platforms handle e-commerce specific needs. Wix has a fully integrated e-commerce solution with plenty of apps and add-ons available to extend functionality. You can add a store to virtually any template, and it's generally smooth to manage products, payments, and orders. But when it comes to customization, Wix doesn't really offer a blank slate for your e-commerce store, so you're still working within the structure of the template. Zyro, on the other hand, is a bit more streamlined when it comes to e-commerce. It offers a simpler, more straightforward e-commerce system, but with fewer bells and whistles than Wix. It's a solid option if you want something clean and simple, but if you're looking for extensive e-commerce tools, you may find it lacking. The fourth thing to mention is mobile optimization. Both Zyro and Wix offer mobile responsive templates, which is a must in today's e-commerce world. However, Wix takes the lead in this area, with some extra customization for mobile views that Zyro simply doesn't match. If you're planning to run a lot of traffic through mobile devices, Wix will give you more control over how your site looks on smartphones and tablets. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Zyro is one of the more affordable options on the market, which makes it appealing for those just starting out. Wix, while offering more customization, comes at a higher price point. The flexibility you get with Wix may be worth the extra investment, depending on your business needs. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for. While Zyro and Wix both have their strengths and weaknesses, I've tried all of them, and there's one alternative I'd highly recommend if template customization for e-commerce is your priority. It's a platform that gives you full control over customization, offers advanced e-commerce tools, and is a lot easier to use than Wix. If you're ready to see what this better alternative can do, check out the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. Click the link now.